I have some tragic news. We weren't able to get Marshall to read the Black Friday ad. I don't know what happened. I'm promoting you.
Whoa.
To our main ad reader.
Like, is this like to bypass payment? Be sure to go to iTunes and rate us 5 stars for this ad. I'm old. I'm old. I'm old.
So anyways, I guess I'll read the ad. Here it goes. This year's Proko sale is big.
You're butchering it already. Take my apple. Give me that. This year's Proko sale is bigger than it's ever been, and it's the best time for you to save on premium courses taught by some of the top online art instructors around. Perhaps you want to learn how to draw comics from a pro like David Finch, or take on character design with Scott Flanders. Maybe you're looking to tackle a specific subject like shading or digital painting, so you might check out Steven Zapata's Secrets of Shading course, or Marco Bucci's Intro to Digital Painting. The point is, if you're looking to learn how to draw, paint, or sculpt, chances are there's a perfect course for you in the Proko store. Now, here's the best part. From November 15th till the 30th, all of our courses and digital tools are 20% off for Black Friday. And that's on top of the discount you get from buying multiple products at once. Just use the code BLACK20 at checkout. I'm old.
Yes. Yes, you are.
This is the last time. This is why Draftsman is over.
Because you're old? You're not that old. I didn't even write that. It was John.
Oh, well, goody John.